Hello students, good morning. Standard 7, class 15, preposition. Textbook page number 147 to 151. Okay students, we have already very well known about the parts of speech. Can you say what are the parts of speech? Yes, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, preposition, interjection and conjunction. Shall we recall? Noun is a naming word. Pronoun is a word using instead of a noun. Example, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Verb is a doing word. Adverb is a word how the action is being done. Adjective describes the quality of the noun. These things we learned already. And preposition describes the position of a noun. For example, the cat is under the table. Here, noun is the cat. Where is the cat? It is under the table. So, under is a preposition. Now, turn to the page number 147. Pictogrammar. Preposition. A preposition comes before a noun or pronoun in a sentence and shows its relationship to another word or part of the sentence. Prepositions can be classified into three groups. See the picture. Preposition, time preposition, place preposition and position preposition. First pattern, preposition of time. For example, I get up at 5 a.m. Here, at. Before the time we are using at. And I do my physical exercise during the morning. So here during is a preposition. And there was a heavy rain in evening. So here in is the preposition. Next pattern is preposition of place. First example, Uma lives in Viluppuram. Viluppuram is a place. That place in front we are using the preposition in. So in is a preposition here and he is at the bus stop. Here the bus stop is a place. That in front of the word we are using at. At is a preposition here. The students are inside the classroom. Here the classroom is a place. In front of the word the classroom we are using inside. That is a preposition here. The next thing is preposition using in the place of position. For example, my books are on the table. Where are my books? They are on the table. So, the position on represents the position of the noun. So, on is a preposition here. The fan is above my head. Here, where is the fan? It is above my head. So above is a preposition. And the plane flies over the building. Where it flies? It flies over the building. So over is a preposition here. Next, language checkpoint you see. Listen carefully. You should not say the plane flew above the building because the plane is a moving thing. So that above, we should not use the word above. Instead of above, we should use over. The plane flew over the building. Their note also given there. Use above when there is no movement. Use over when there is movement. So a plane is a moving thing. So we are using over. The next thing, see, we shall meet them in the club this evening. That's wrong. Then how to say we shall meet them at the club this evening. The note also given there. Use in for large places. Example, country, cities, etc. Use at for small places. Example, park, school, etc. We can say I live in Kanyakumari. I live at Thamarikulam. The next one, I walk by foot is a wrong statement. I walk on foot is the right answer. The explanation also given. On is used for actions involving body parts. By is usually used to mention the means of transport. Next, turn to the page number 148. Look at the pictures given below. Read the prepositions and do the actions. Okay, a girl is standing next to the box. And next one, the girl is standing behind the box. The boy is coming out of the box. Then the next picture you see, the girl is going into the box. Next one is the girl running around the box. Next picture is the girl is in the box. The last picture shows the boys coming through the box. Okay, now turn to the page number 149. Look at the picture. Pick out the right preposition and fill in the speech bubbles given below. And there are some answers between, down from, on to, inside, on, in front of, and over. The first picture, the girl is jumping over the box. The second picture, the girl is standing on the box. Next picture, the boy is jumping down from the box. And the next picture shows the girl is jumping on the box. Next picture shows the girl is inside the box. Next one is the girl is standing in front of the box. The last picture shows the boy is sitting between two boxes. Now turn to the page number 150. F. Read the following sentences carefully and underline the preposition. Number 1. Julian placed her lunchbox inside her bag. Here inside is the preposition and it indicates the place. So this is a place preposition. Number 2. Vinodini left the house before sunrise. Here before is the preposition and it indicates the time. So this is time preposition. And number 3. Ben saw Daisy playing across the road. Here across represents the place. So this is place preposition. Fourth one, Hema keeps all her teddy bears on top of her wardrobe. Here on is the preposition and that indicates the position. So this is position preposition. Number 5, Divya hid the sweets behind her bag. Here the preposition is behind. So underline below behind and this indicates the place. So place preposition. Number 6, Sudha fell over during the basketball match. Here over is the preposition and it indicates the position. So position preposition. Number 7, Madhusudan checked to see if his keys had fallen underneath his chair. Here underneath is the preposition and it comes under the position preposition. And number 8, Mrs. Meena asked the children to go into her classroom. Here into is the preposition and it represents the place. So place preposition. 9, after lunch the children were allowed to play. Here after is the preposition and it represents the time. So this is time preposition. Number 10, Saravanan climbed on to the horse. Here on to is the preposition and it represents the position. So position preposition. Now G, complete the following sentences using appropriate preposition. First one, is your mother dash home? Here option also given, in, at and on. Home is a smallest place, so we can use at. At home is the answer. And number 2, there is unity in diversity dash the people. People is a set of people. It's a crowd. So we have to use among. There is unity in diversity among the people. Then third one, he discussed the problem dash his parents with, to or for. With is the answer. Fourth one, Litisa was praised dash her father with, for or by. by her father is the answer. Number 5, can you finish the work dash tomorrow? By tomorrow, in tomorrow, or within tomorrow? By tomorrow is the answer. The number 6, he has been absent dash last week. Since, for, or by. Since last week is the answer. Now turn to the page number 151. H. Fill in the blanks using suitable prepositions from the box. Some options can be used more than once. Options are across, with, on, to, by, since, from, about, into, at, and during. Here, the first one, what do you do dash weekends? Answer is during weekends. And number 2, I am going to my village dash Sunday. So maximum days there in the sense we should use on, okay, and month there in the sense we should use in. So here the answer is on Sunday. And next, third one, I haven't met my friends dash December. Since December is the answer. Since means from. And fourth one, run dash the street and get me the ribbon. Run on the street is the answer. Number 5, he told me in detail dash the incident. Here he told me in detail about the incident. And number 6, this picture was drawn dash the girl dash charcoal. This picture was drawn by whom? So by the girl and with charcoal. Next, 7, the car was traveling dash a great speed. At a great speed is the answer. 8th one, the ball fell dash the lake. So into the lake. 9, there is a bridge dash the river. Across the river is the answer. The conference will be held dash 10 a.m. dash 5 p.m. From 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then I fill up the blanks using suitable prepositions on your own. Number 1, the soldier climbed dash a horse and rode away. On a horse is the answer. The number 2, they have been here dash a long time, for a long time. Then third one, Kumaravil has lived in this city dash 2012. Since 2012 is the answer. Number 4, the paper was published dash an international journal. In an international journal is the answer. When will you return dash home, back home? Number 6, 1 dash the 4 students wrote the answers correctly. One of the 4 students is the answer. 7th one, the fruit is dash the Mexican capital. The fruit is from the Mexican capital. From is the answer. And the 8th one, the head office is dash Nungambakkam. At Nungambakkam is the answer, and it is dash College Road, on College Road. As you go dash the station, through the station, the office is dash the right side, at the right side. And 9th one, the sailors were taken dash the forest and made to walk dash 10 miles. The sailors were taken through the forest and made to walk for 10 miles. And 10th one, the girl standing dash me was sneezing. The girl standing before me was sneezing is the answer. Okay, dear students, I hope you all have understood the chapter preposition. Watch the video fully and carefully and write the answers in your textbook. Take photo and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you soon.